So, good morning. You might be wondering what is happening with our kitchen cabinets. Well, last few days Andre made big progress. See, the frames are ready. Our kitchen, our fridge will fit in this one. Stove on top, gas tanks underneath. Very happy with it. This afternoon we're going to attach the doors. We did already one yesterday, as you can see. Once he attached all the doors, I'm going to prime them in white. First layer of paint, after that 2 layers of white paint. We haven't decided yet which color to go for. Fuji white or lily white. Haven't decided yet, we have to decide one of these days. But very happy with it so far. It's looking good. And here, you see the overhead cabinets. Smaller ones for our seating area. This bigger one for the kitchen. Thank you, Andre. You did a great job. Good morning. Oh, still very cold, but I lit up the fire, so it will heat up very soon. I'm ready to start or to move on to the next chapter. This fan build, painting of the cabinets. First, going to prime them. A primer. Bought some new brushes. All the doors are ready. I already have 2 cabinets that are finished. My coffee, water, music. So, let's get this started. Alright, drum roll. I hereby declare the painting department for opened. Here we go. First, clear all the cabinets and the door of the sawdust. This is not the actual paint yet, just a layer of primer. First cabinet is done. Did an okay job, I guess. First doing the cabinets, afterwards doors, so I can practice with the cabinets at the inside before I start with the doors who face in frontwards. Yesterday I was an electrician and a carpenter, today I'm a painter. Next one, big one. Words of third day of painting. Painted most of my cabinets and cupboards. So I have some painting left in the van itself, the benches, but it was too cold this morning, -3 degrees Celsius, so I opted to stay inside. Finished here and now I can start sanding my cabinets so I can paint them beginning of next week. Oh boy, it's cold outside, raining, a little bit of snow, so no weather to work outside in the van. I'm going to continue with the cabinets. A few days ago I primed it, sanded and dusted them. I'm going to dust them again today before I start applying the first layer of paint. Lit a fire, have some coffee, crank up the music, and let's get this done. Maybe you remember from one of our previous vlogs, we ordered some paint samples, 4 different kinds of white, and at the end we went with lily white, satin gloss. So I'm going to apply 2 layers of this paint on all our cabinets, and finally at the end should have a light gloss on it. So fingers crossed. Music, maestro.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.